Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ActiveCampaign Customer Experience Automation. Customer Experience Automation. Treat every customer like you're most important, whether you have 10 or 10 million. The 4 pillars of customer experience automation. Orchestration. Don't replace Shopify, Facebook, or any of the channels you already use. Orchestrate across them. Segmentation. Don't segment buyers by cohorts, segment by individuals. Personalization. High name is not true personalization. Automation. Don't just offload busywork, enhance your entire customer strategy with AI. Active campaign pricing options. Have real-time conversations with your customers. Get started with 14 days free with all plan tiers. An automation-first approach to sales engagement. Sales engagement automation uses rich customer data from every sales and marketing touchpoint to know the right time and channel to automate unique and timely messages. It also determines when providing human touch will be most effective to close sales. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ActiveCampaign and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.